What's going on, guys? So we're about to drop the car off at Vader Solutions to get some new turbos, finally. It's been years and years and years since I've been talking about doing this. Ooh, one last pull with the stock turbos. It's been fun with them on, but you know, time to take it to the next level. It's pretty quick though with the stock turbos, but I'm excited for the upgraded. Alright, we're about to be here, I think. Yep. Got the Vader Solutions. Time to get some upgraded twins on this baby. This car got the same thing I'm getting done. That's what it should look like when it's finished. Holy fuck! Oh my gosh, I need to turn traction all the way.
Oh my god.
No, dude, it's not doing
It's not, it's really not. Oh my Jesus. Oh.
Yeah, that's barely any throttle.
Oh.
It's crazy responsive and shit, bro. This thing is insane.
Oh my. Oh my Jesus. Oh.
Yeah, that's barely any throttle.
Oh.
It's crazy responsive and shit, bro. This thing is insane.
Oh.
It's like a GLE or whatever.
Oh my.
He had like the GLE. He tried to race me. Cap his ass. So he had like the GLE or whatever. And he had dyno comp do a muffler delete and then the stage 1 tune. And bro, his shit was noisy.
Come up.
Damn, a lot of racers down here.
They're doing a DUI on him. Yeah, I would not rip it, bro.
Really?
I mean, if you want. I want to feel it a bit. Oh my god! Oh
Did you feel the back end?
my god!
This thing is ignorant.
Oh no, you definitely need Summers. Oh no, what gear is that? Second?
That was in second. This is third.
Oh shit. Dude.
That was like just half throttle.
Fuck that.
Is that it right there?
Oh yeah. I forgot we were going there. My bad.
Literally. Bro, this thing's insane.
Oh my god, it fucking kicked it.
You're gonna have no
You gotta be
tires?
careful, bro.
That's what I'm saying. I didn't even know it. This person fucked me up because they didn't stop.
Yeah. Oh my god, bro.
Bro, yeah, did you feel it kick out hard?
Yeah, it's soft, dude. The whole fucking back end kicked out. Oh my god! Oh
Did you feel the back end?
my god!
This thing is crazy. I'm afraid of it now. Oh my gosh. The drivability is completely here still. Like, it drives like it's stock. Like, look at this. No engine lights, none of that bullshit.